this brief training video, we're going to go over the assembly instructions for the SpenStor storage bed. There's 4 total cartons to assemble this. You have the headboard, rails, 4 storage drawers, and also the storage footboard. Beginning with the headboard and its hardware, you'll have 4 longer Allen bolts and 2 short. You use the 4 longer ones to attach the legs to the headboard. They are marked right and left, and you're going to go ahead and tighten them down after starting them by hand first. After getting both legs on, you'll install the lower brace bar with the 2 shorter Allen bolts. With the assembly of the headboard complete, it's time to move on to assembling the side rails. The side rail box contains 2 universal rails, so it won't matter which side you put them on. Also has the hardware including the threaded rods, which are 8 spacers, 8 nuts, and 8 lock washers. Beginning with the threaded rods, you're going to install them into the headboard ends. There's 2 on each end. When you get them tightened all the way until they bottom out, you want to back them out a couple of turns. When installing the side rails, be sure that the slat cleat is on the upper side of the rails. Slide them over the threaded rods. Start with a half-moon spacer, then a lock washer, and then the 1/2-inch nut. You're going to repeat this process all the way around the bed. 2 bolts on either corner. When you unpackage the storage footboard, it also includes a slat pack, 2 slats that are designed for holding the drawers. Also has the center supports and the 2 legs for the footboard and the hardware. The hardware that's supplied with the storage footboard is 8 Allen bolts, slat wood screws, 7 short supports, 2 medium, and 3 long. The 3 long are for the queen. If you have a king, you'll have 6. Start off first by putting the feet on the ends of the footboard, and also on the back of the footboard there's going to be 3 short supports that go underneath. Now with the 2 drawer slats, you're going to take a total of 4 short supports and install them on the underside. There's going to be 2 on each. The 2 drawer supports are installed, going end to end on the rails through the centers of where the drawers are going to go. You'll use the 8 Allen bolts for this. There's going to be 2 at each end. Start them by hand first, then using the drill to tighten them the rest of the way. It is important to install the slats in the correct direction. You always want to make sure that the black strap holding all the slats together is on the lower side. The 2 barrel nuts you'll find on back-to-back slats always goes towards the footboard end. That's where the 2 medium-sized center supports are going to be attached. Just reach them up from underneath the bottom and tighten those up. The 3 long center supports are installed starting at the headboard end, all the way to the top, next one, and then down in the center in the middle. Delivering the king-size bed, there will be 6 total long center supports. They're going to be offset to the left and rights of the bed. With the pack of wood screws, now you're going to install each one into each slat. The final step is installing the 4 side drawers. Take the drawer, line it up with the glides, push them on in.